our party stand now in our local version, I have already clarified. Mr. Chidambaram has tweeted his own, this is purely his own view. So immediately when we see his ex-tweet, this one his suggestion, maybe his personal view, immediately we inform each and everybody, state leaders, all state leaders are here. So from 9 a.m. onward, still we are sitting here, and immediately when we saw his ex-tweet, and we informed to the Honorable President, All India Congress Committee, Mallikarjun Kharge ji, and immediately he called all the concerned senior leader. And I also personally spoke to Mallikarjun Kharge ji. No, sorry, this one, it may be his own personal view, but this will be, there will be a lot of misunderstanding in the state of Manipur. Please inform him, take immediate action to take down his view. So immediately, Mallikarjun Kharge ji spoke to Chidambaram. No, it may be your own view, but this is will be unnecessarily lot of problem will be created. That's why immediately Mr. Chidambaram has already been taken out.
Babung, do you demand the Mr. P. Chidambaram to make an apology about this particular?
We have already informed EICC and also for appropriate action, and also I will speak to him. You should not create such type of statement for Manipur.